Alright, welcome to our inventories practice questions. So, ang coverage ng practice questions na ito ay ang inventory overview natin, ang inventory FOB destinations at FOB shipping point na topics, at saka ang consignment. So, ganito ang magiging mechanics ng ating practice questions. Alright? So, ipa-flash ko yung questions sa yung screen. Kagaya nito, then ipopause mo po yung screen mo, then solve the problem. So, kapag meron ka ng answers and solutions in front of you, then i-play mo ulit for the next question. Sa solutions naman, ganito po ang gagawin natin. So, ang FOB shipping point, the buyer owns the goods. Since the buyer owns the goods, the buyer should be responsible for them. So, sa solutions, lahat po ng concept ay isusulat ko dito. Then, gagamitin natin yung mga concepts for analysis of each question. Then, dito naman natin isusulat ang solution sa bawat problem. Kung ready ka na, halika, samahan mo ako mag-analyze ng inventories. Alright, question number 9. The requirement on question number 9 is what amount should be included in inventory on December 31st? So, ang hinahanap ng problem is yung ending inventory ng company on December 31st. Alright? So, consignment ulit ang problem na ito. On September 4, year 1, every company consigned 1,000 jackets to Jason Company costing 800 pesos each. Consignor natin ay si Aubrey. At ang consignee natin ay si Jason. Alright? So, Aubrey consigned 1,000 jackets to Jason and each jacket costing 800. So, magkano lahat yung transfer ni Aubrey or ng consignor kay consignee? So, we have 1,000 jackets. Then, we multiply that by the cost per jacket. Alright, so magkano lahat yung mga transfer niyang goods na 1,000 jackets? Ang cost ng mga jackets na yon ay 800,000. And paid 15,000 freight. So, si Aubrey, nagbayad siya ng 15,000 kay carrier to transport these goods to the consignee. So, yung freight na yon, we have capitalized that to the cost of the good consigned. So, we add our freight of amounting to 15,000. So, we have a total cost of this 1,000 jacket. So, we have 815,000 cost. Alright, ang tanong ng problem is kung magkano daw yung ending inventory ni Aubrey sa December 31st. And so, we have a total of 815,000. So, kung i-divide natin ito sa 1,000 jackets, then makukuha natin kung magkano ang cost per jacket natin. So, we will divide by 1,000 jackets. So, meron tayong cost per jacket na 815 per jacket. On December 30, year 1, Jason reported the sale of 750 jackets and remitted 900,000. The remittance was net of the agreed 20% commission. So, yung commission, expense na ni Aubrey yan. Expense ng consignor. Ang tanong ng problem, hindi yung sales. Ang tanong ng problem is kung magkano pa yung naiiwan sa kanyang inventory. So, kung nakabenta si Jason ng 750 jackets, ang naiiwan na lang na jackets kay Jason or sa consignee is 250. So, kung bawat jacket ay 815, imo-multiply lang natin ito sa 250 na jackets na naiiwan. Alright? So, magkano ang cost nung naiiwan na jacket? Ang cost niya is 203,750. And that is our answer. And our answer is letter A. Alright, question number 10, our last questions. The requirement is, what would be the adjusted inventory at December 31st, year 1? Mayan Corporations, a manufacturer of handbags, provided the following informations from its accounting records for the year ended December 31st, year 1. So we have inventory at December 31st of year 1 based on physical count of goods in Mayan's plant at cost on December 31st, year 1, amounting to 1,750,000. So ano ba itong 1,750,000? Yan po yung mga merchandise on hand ni Mayan Corporations. Alright? So kasama yan sa hinahanap ng problem. Amounting to 1,750,000. This 1,750,000 is based on the physical count. Accounts payable at December 31st of year 1 amounting to 1,200,000. So itong accounts payable at net sales of 8,500,000, these two accounts are irrelevant sa hinahanap nating ending inventory ng December 31st. Walang effect ito sa ating inventory. So i-ignore lang natin po yon. So additional information as follows. Included in the physical count were handbags billed to a customer FOB shipping point on December 31st, year 1. These handbags had a cost of 28,000 and were billed at 35,000. The shipment was on Mayang loading dock at 5 o'clock p.m. on December 31st, year 1, waiting for to be picked up by the common carrier. So ang nangyari dito is, so si carrier hindi pa niya na-pick up yung handbags na dapat isi-ship ni seller, ni Mayang, sa buyer. Kahit na FOB shipping point ang usapan ng seller at buyer, kung hindi pa ito nakukuha ni carrier, hindi pa ito na-ship ni seller. So, ang ibig sabihin, nandun pa sa property ni seller, yung mga inventories na yon dapat kasama pa rin sa kanyang inventory. Pero ang sabi ng problem, included in the physical count were handbags billed to a customer. So, included na po dito yon. So, wala tayong adjustment sa additional informations sa item number 1. Kasi dapat kasama yan sa physical count at isinama na nga po yan sa physical count. Item number 2, goods were in transit from a vendor to Mayang. So si Mayang buyer siya. On December 31st, year 1, the invoice cost was 50,000 and the goods were shipped FOB shipping point on December 29. So, ang usapan nilang dalawa, si Mayang buyer siya, okay? So, ang usapan nila is FOB shipping point. So, kapag FOB shipping point, the buyer owns the goods. So, si Mayang buyer siya. So, kasama na yan sa kanyang inventory. Hindi yan kasama sa account, syempre, kasi nasa daan pa yon. Alright? So, itong number 2, isasama natin yan sa ating inventory. Alright, and the total just an inventory on December 31st, year 1 is 1,800,000. And our answer is letter D.